Alright, today guys, we're doing a double bike check with me and William Cooley. And alright, I got a 2015 Fit vh1, stock bars, everything stock except the pedal or the pegs, and 3 spokes that are orange.
Cause some stupid kid pegged him. They have Hyperco, I think, right?
Yeah, they're Hyperco and I spray painted them. But so basically everything on my bike stock, and yeah. And I got stolen thermite pegs. They're worn down a little bit. And yeah. So I got Fit grips, Fit Barstool seat, Fit FF tires.
Oh, don't forget about the stolen.
Got Odyssey pedals, stolen sticker, stolen thermite pegs, and Fit cranks. Basically everything stock. Alright, here's William Cooley with his bike check.
Wait, what?
Do your bike check.
Odie had long necks. I tore the crap out of the bar ends.
Okay.
What?
Just do the bars. Go.
Kink Link bars, they suck.
Mission stem.
Mission stem. But Sunday Ross.
Bolts.
What bolts? Yeah, I can't think. Stupid.
Some crappy fork.
Yeah, some crappy fork. Volt 2. But Fit TA
tires.
burgundy marble.
Stock hub.
Stock hubs.
By the way, guys, this is a 2014 Kink curve.
Oh my god, you fucking freaking suck. Red bar. Freaking.
Red rims.
Yeah, red rims.
Diamondback pedals. Kink 2014 curb frame.
Don't know what the
Mission seat.
Don't know what the brake pads are.
Diamondback pedals.
Diamondback pedals. Like
Some mission
pretty much
cranes.
mission crap.
Basically, all of this is almost
I'm doing
stock.
an unshout out to Mission. Do not like or do anything to our videos or videos, whatever. Goodbye.
Goodbye.